The Litheli 20V Brushless drill boasts a powerful brushless motor, ensuring more power and efficiency with a longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. With its adjustable torque settings, this drill offers precision and control, making it ideal for drilling through a variety of materials such as wood, metal, or masonry. The dual-speed control feature allows users to switch between 0 to 500 revolutions per minute and 0 to 2,000 revolutions per minute, catering to different DIY and home improvement needs. Designed for user comfort, it includes a built-in LED light, anti-slip grip, and a lightweight body that makes it easy to handle, even in dark or confined spaces. Equipped with a rechargeable 2.0 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, this drill provides a 30-minute runtime and includes a USB power bank function, although the charger is sold separately. As a versatile gift choice, this drill inspires creativity and practicality, encouraging families to work together on home and patio projects.